Hi, it's Kevin Dolan, and in a rare moment of professionalism, I decided to shave and wear a shirt with a collar and skip the baseball hat today. Why, you may ask? Well, it's because I visited with a client this morning at a trade show downtown in Minneapolis. They were in town for an industry conference. I'd never seen him operate in the wild before. He sells a very complex but very cool software to folks, and I wanted to just get a sense for what he was saying and doing when interacting with prospects. Well, it was a terrific experience for both of us. And it bears out the wisdom of a comment made years ago by a really, really good copywriter by the name of Eugene Schwartz, who said, you don't have to have great ideas if you can hear great ideas. And this morning, I heard a great idea that my client just tossed off without thinking much about it. He was talking to a prospect and he was telling the story of one of their users who said, it was the industry standard stuff. You can save time and makes your life easier, yeah, yada, yada, yada. But then he said, and she told me I can get home early. And my eyes kind of got big and I said, oh, there's a headline. And so I spoke to him after he finished his conversation. I said, David, I think that's going to be the headline on a banner that we're going to print up and put behind your table at your next conference, because I can get home early, especially if you put it in quote marks. That's going to get the interest of your users because they all want to get home and quit working early because they do a lot of overtime. His software helps people get home early. And that's really the pot at the end of the rainbow for his software. It's saving time is great, saving money, whatever, but I can get home early. So that's going to be the headline I'm suggesting for their next trade show, the banner behind their booth. And it's also going to be the headline for a follow-up sales letter that I propose to write for them. It's probably going to make them a lot of money. And it's an idea that I didn't get, but I heard it. So the moral of this story is you don't have to have great ideas if you can hear great ideas. I hope you get a good idea from listening to this, and then you can try it out in your own business. Let me know what you think of this idea. Comment below, and I'll see you again soon.